Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to log into Telegram. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. To get notified for future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. Now after opening Telegram, this screen opens up, and in this screen click on start messaging over here and then enter your phone number over here, and remember to put your country's code by clicking on the country's name. Mine's Nepal, so it's 977, but if I want to change it I can just click on Nepal and then change it to whichever country I am. So I'm in Nepal, so it's 977, and after entering your phone number you need to click this button over here. So let me enter my phone number. Then after entering your phone number, it's going to send a verification code to your phone number to verify if it's your phone number or not via SMS. So, and as you guys can see, I received my code. Now I'm going to type this number over here, and it's taking me to my account, and boom, I've entered my Telegram account. So that's basically how you log into Telegram. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next, and I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.